Hi, it's Alan here from Blackdown Shepherd Huts. Today I am really excited to show you our new modular turnkey. This one we've designed with glamping and families in mind, so let's go and have a look inside. Okay, so now we're inside here. So we've got a villager wood-burning stove, and in behind this door here, we've got a nice ensuite bathroom, complete with a shower, heated towel rail, everything you need in there. Then we have a really good sized wardrobe, plenty of space for hanging things, with a full size mirror, so you can do your hair in the mornings, make yourself look good. Then over here we have a handmade kitchen. This one's made here by our joiners. Comes with an induction hob, nice built-in fridge, a Belfast sink, and then the really fantastic thing about this hut is this area over here. So we've got a really nice, big, comfortable seating area. This little coffee table comes on over and then folds out into a full-size dining table. This little cube slides away so that there's somewhere for someone to sit on the other side. And then when you're done, put the table away, slide the cube back into the space, to reveal a full-size double bed. You can lay in that one, look up at the stars through our stargazing roof light.